How about some new arrivals this week?
Yeah.
The 1955 Swallow Doretti Roadster. Huh?
Hey?
You say?
Yeah.
Hey? British racing green over black. If you haven't seen one before, Randy will have a picture up on it and you'll see it. They're an interesting little British sports car. One of 276 built. So
Super rare.
Super rare. Long-term ownership. Really a nice restoration on this car.
Beautiful car.
Yeah,
So named after a bird, I guess. So if you live in Capistrano, California,
you would know the Swallows.
You'd want one.
Yeah. 1991 cubic inch inline four-cylinder with a four-speed manual transmission. And this is a neat little car. If you haven't seen one before, check it out.